Hiya everyone, I hope you're keeping well. I'm on YouTube and Facebook, so my eyes might look a little bit funny. Hope you don't mind. I'm going to do a quick makeup look. I'm meeting the twins for just a little quick coffee. But before I go, I thought I'm going to do a little makeup look. I'm kind of already dressed. I'll be taking this off. I've got like a little green top underneath. That'll do. I'm only going to chill out. I'm going to be doing some swatches. So before I go any further, alright, so swatching. We're going to swatch, not today, but I will be doing, just to let you know what's coming up. Hope you are excited. There's the pigments, MAC pigments. We're going to swatch them. Alright? Can't wait. There's tons in here. I haven't even played with them for years. Like, seriously, this is going to be so excited. You're probably going to hear some high pitched squeaking. Then, look what I found. Oh, if I can get them. Is it in there? No. Yes, no, not in that one. But there is something in there. There we go. Some more. So these are the MAC eyeshadows. And who remembers the Barry M Dazzle Dusts? I've got tons in here. Like, so many. We're going to go through them all. I'm going to swatch like mad. I'm going to do some swatch videos. I'm mainly putting them on YouTube. If people on Facebook have a look, want to watch it, please let us know. Leave us a little message, because I know on Facebook people like to get ready with me, which I have let you down today because I'm already ready. But I hope you enjoy this just as much as well. So we've got that. We've got pigments galore. What's that? That's an empty. Right. And then someone called Marshy has asked for eyeshadow pen swatches, stuff like this. Okay, so I'm going to have a look. I've got a few. We're going to play about who's the creamiest, best pigment, best colour, best like stain power and all that kind of stuff. I'm just going to have fun, because I have so craved doing this for like so long. And I love being on my floor doing my makeup. Like, I'm cross-legged. You can't see, but I'm cross-legged and I love it. Love, love, love. Because I was standing up doing a lot of my videos, and it doesn't feel the same, but so this feels like brilliant. I feel like I'm literally in my room having fun. You want to see the state of it. It's got makeup all over. All right, so that's that. And got something else to think about. What was it? We'll do some eyeliners. Oh yes, yeah, there they are. So that one obviously is old, no good anymore, but I keep it for like nostalgic purposes. I can't part with it. I've just been on YouTube doing a load of replying. And also a lot of people have said the same thing. They've got like the old pigments, the Barry M Dusts. These, they've like proper dried up. But we can't get rid of them because it's nostalgia. It's like a thing. I totally get it. Put them somewhere in a little memory box. This is a Rimmel Magnify Eyes. I think it's called Magnifies. Yeah, quite cool, isn't it? So this is a double-ended eyeshadow stick. We'll play with that. I'm going to do loads of swatches. I think this is current. And then this one is an e.l.f. Studio. This is a no budge matte shadow eye stick, which is quite should we use this today? Do you know what? I think I might. All right, look, I'm excited now. So I've got this out. I found that. That's e.l.f. I want to use this lip. This is Makeup Artist, I think it is. Yeah, Makeup Academy, sorry. This is the Satin Sheen Lip Stylo. This is new, current. Then I'm talking all this time and I'm not even doing my makeup. Then that's MAC Glow Play, and this one is groovy and it's spongy. If you ever get to feel these, it's a bit exciting. Like, I just love. It feels like a little soft pillow of gorgeousness. And then this here, this is an eyeshadow palette. It's by Urban Decay, and Sam Pixie Roo sent me this. She's absolutely lovely. They sent me a load of makeup when I got back on YouTube, because a lot of mine had gone off and I'd lost it. But bless her, she sent loads, and this is one of the things. So we're going to play it in that one today. Look at the colours. Right, let's go, because otherwise now it'll get done. I'm using a base today that you can actually get, and it's Be Perfect Skin Studio Glow Boost. I'm going to mix it with my foundation. I'm going to just shove it on with my hands to keep up the quick. So there we go. I love the way it squirts out the top. It's like a collagen cream. I'll put that on all over. I want to use my Vaseline, but it's not available. It's not available in the UK yet. It's in Thailand. It's just relaunched because it's sold out. It's coming back. I think someone's doing a TikTok live tonight. So I'm trying to work out the 24 hours and it's like in Thailand, so it's hard. But it's back in stock. So it is somewhere. It's very exciting. There's like, yeah. I will let you know as much as I can when I find out. I'm using this. This here is absolutely lush. As you know, I use it all the time. Chroma cover. Look at it. This is the Be Perfect one. And you can use my code. It is a BPLAURENLUKE. You get up to 20% off Be Perfect Cosmetics. Go on the website and you can use it in the basket. Get a lovely discount. I'll stick a link. I'll stick a little thing underneath both the videos so you can have a look if you're interested. I love me Be Perfect, so I work for Be Perfect. I'm just getting this right down here because I'm going to be taking this off. This is like an old sweatshirt. Martin bought us it for Christmas and I can use it wherever I want. I'm just going to make sure I put that all on. I like using a brush, but I'm just doing this for now. This feels awful. My makeup wipes and my towel. I've got this makeup towel that I always have in my room for like drying brushes on the go. And I've cleaned a load of brushes. I'll show you them actually. You're gonna like them. There's Be Perfect ones there. I've got Real Techniques is lovely. That's again Sam Pixie Woo and Nick and Sam. They're lovely. I know a lot of you follow them on Facebook, Instagram. I think they're huge on Instagram and YouTube. I don't know if they're on Facebook so much, but they're really lovely. The pair of them are lovely. So there we go. That's their brushes. And then I've been cleaning them all. I've got my Be Perfect, my Real Techniques. I've got bits I'm working on myself. And I don't know where my other one went. Oh, they're my old ones. These are mine. Loads of people have still got these. Very grateful you have. And they still work fantastic. They wash really well. Right, let's go. So we've done the foundation. We've done that. Do I want concealer? Probably can't be bothered. I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need it. I'm going to put some primer on. Oh, I'm going for it. I'm going to use this. It's the Vaseline. Don't laugh and don't look. Pretend I'm not using it. I just want a really good primer quickly. Just get that on like that. And do the brow and all. There we go. I'll do the lip and all. There we go. Any Vaseline you can use, by the way. I said this from the start. Vaseline is a primer. It's lush. Right. Okay, so just make sure that's all blended in. Make sure I get no creases. It's actually quite good for that. Stays put. And I'm going to use my mirror here. I need an eyeshadow brush because I'm going in for the kill. I'm going to go in with... Which one? I want to use the blue as well. You know what? I'm going to use this one and I'm going to use one of them. Yeah. Let's pretend we're going to the beach. So a couple of eyeshadow brushes. Let's go. I'm going to go with gold first. Let's get this all over. Oh God, that's not very good, mirror. The last one fell out on us. Here we go. I hope you can see everything I'm doing. I've just flicked it right into my nose. Look at that. Where do I go from here? I need a brush. Get my foundation brush. Get that out. There we go. Alrighty then. Look, look, look. Can you see? Can you see up close? I've put... So this is my YouTube one. This is my Facebook one. And I've got two different phones I'm working on just because it's easier. Because Facebook is portrait, which I do love. But YouTube is landscape. So I don't know how to change the format. I just film on my old phone. And I realised the quality wasn't so good. And it was because the screen cover that I'd put on was all broken and bubbled. So I was thinking, where's them marks coming from? That's what it was. So there we go, we're sorted. This is just one of them quick looks. I should do with some tape, really. I wouldn't mind some tape. This is just going on all over the top, really. Blend it out. Just a quick look. And just want to come and say hello, really, because I haven't said good morning properly. I always like to say good morning on a morning. On Facebook, every morning. Has to be done. I've got loads of people that I love connecting with. And I've been so welcomed back, like amazingly welcomed back on YouTube too. So thank you so much. Like, I super appreciate it. I love connecting with people. I always try my best to reply to as many as I can. It does get a bit hard at times because I get hundreds, and that's not an exaggeration. I don't know how these top channels keep in touch with people, because like, I'm only small fry and it's hard. I've got Michaela sending a message there, bless her, she's waiting for us. I'm gonna have to be quick. It's my sister. I'm going to put a lighter colour on the top. Should have done that with a bigger brush, but it doesn't matter. I think, yeah, I'm going to turn this round. No, yeah, turn it round, and I'm going to go in with Salt. This one here, nice bit light, just up close. So you can have a nice close-up. I know people love close-ups. Look at that. Hope the quality of the camera picks it all up. It's gorgeous. Yeah, and then I'll put that there. Bless, Martin's trying to get in touch with us as well. Just lightening that bit up a little bit, nothing too drastic. Just like that. What I want to do as well is, I need to take a smaller brush, and I'm going to go in under with, I'm going with plunge. Look at this, I'm just doing it. I'm going in, I'm going to take the plunge, right, because it's got to be done. That is such a lush blue. Look at that. I'm going to do a swatch because I know you love your swatches. Look at that. It's like a mermaid turquoise deep sea lushness. Right, so here we go. Let's stay at my hand. I have to clean that off before I leave the house. Underneath, let's go. I'm going for it. I should have went brown first, but it doesn't matter. Oh, hey, look at that. Once I get my mascara on as well, should be really, really. Hope everybody can see what I'm doing. I love this colour. Oh, I like that. It is in my eye, but that's all right. It'll come out the corner. I'll get a Q-tip, get right in there. Remember the eye boogers? And if you've got a friend and you sat with someone and they've got one, tell them that they've got it so they can sort it out. You're not a true friend if you let your friend leave the coffee shop with one of them in the corner of the eye, or anything on them for that matter. As much as it's awkward to say there's something in your eye, tell them, honestly. Right, now what am I doing? Let's think. Mascara. I'm going straight in for the kill. I wasn't going to do black liner. I'm going to keep it just about them colours. I need to get this on, and then we'll get some blush, lips, and I'm out here. Keep it pretty. That's still long. Who am I kidding? It's just something different. And I tell you what, right, if you've got blue eyes, your eyes are gonna absolutely pop because of the copper, the brownie copper. If you've got green eyes, they're gonna pop because of the brownie copper and the blue. And if you've got brown eyes, they're just gonna be smouldering with these ones on. So it's one of them looks that's gonna cover you all eye colours. Now I've got a friend with hooded eyes. You've been asking us for a hooded eye tutorial. Also, she also wears contact lenses, but you can put her glasses on for her, so it's like a double whammy. But I do have a friend who does wear glasses, so we've got two models for you who would like that hooded eye makeup look. And I'll see if I can get them on video. They're dead canny. Hooded eye and glass wearing. I wear glasses now, so I can double up there too. My mum used to have these things where she lifted so she could have a little peek, but she didn't wear makeup. She just literally stuck Vaseline on her face. Eyebrows, lashes, lips, cheeks. Seriously, she was wearing it well before. Probably well before I was in nappies, really. My mum never really put makeup on. She never had to. She had like this look about her. She had like olive skin, dark hair. She always looked like she already had it on, but when she put the Vaseline on, it enhanced everything. So I watched her do that. And then it was my grandma, really, who I used to watch through the mirror. She used to put the full makeup look on. She did her hair, I never managed to suss that. I've never done anything with my hair. My hair's always been nice, long and thick, but I've never done anything with it. But I do have a hair care package coming, which I'll show you when I get it. It's a luxury brand called Shampoo, but I think it's pronounced Sharpois, I think. I don't know. Please don't, you know what I'm like for my pronunciation. But it's coming, and it's a luxury brand at Harrods, and they've reached out. So I'm looking forward to that. You do like a quiz on your hair type. So I've done that. I'll tell you all about it when it gets here. What am I doing now? Lips. So I've got the moisturizer on already, and I'm going to go in with this one. This is Makeup Academy, and what colour is it? Doesn't say. Does it? No, there's no. Hang on. It is Love Letter. It's called Love Letter. Hope that lighting's good. I love the fact. Oh, I like that colour. Wow. You know what I like about it? It's small enough, because I've got very small lips. So some of these lipsticks I put on, they like go right up my nostril. So when it's like a little thing like that, or like for instance, I haven't got it to hand, but I love the Maybelline ink crayon ones. They just stay all day. Love that colour. I might go back to I think it was Superdrug I got this, and have a look at some other colours in the Makeup Academy. Look, really nice. We've got my lipstick on. We'll just do a bit of cheek. Glow Play Blush, MAC, Go. Where's my brush? This will do. I'm going to go in with a little bit of this. Just a little bit. I love the way you can just buy, it's like a stamp, you know, when you see, when you go to the post office and they're using this like soft thing for their fingers for the stamps. It's like that. I had a post office when I was a kid, and I loved it. Get this out of the way. Just needs a bit, there we go, warm it up. Do you know, I think I might treat myself soon to go like a big makeup counter thing. The last lot of things I got was Trini, London. They were like more glossy things for your eyes. But I need to go. I did walk past Kiko the other day in Newcastle. I might pop in there, see what other eye shade sticks they've got. I might go to MAC and have a look. Have they got anything? I'll have a look. Someone also asked for pigment alternatives, because it's usually just like eyeshadow palettes, isn't it? But there we go. Quick and easy. Something different. I like that. I'm done. I hope you have a lovely day, and I shall see you all in a bit. Leave us a comment. Would you like to let us know what you'd like to see? I would love to know. Give us some feedback, and I hope you've enjoyed. Zoom, zoom.